How to mark emails as read and unread in the Zoho Mail app. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how you can easily mark an email as read or unread. First of all, open the Zoho Mail app on your smartphone or tablets and log into your account. Once you're logged in, scroll through your inbox and then find the email that you want to mark as read. To mark as read, just open up the email and you'll be able to read the email and it will be inside the read category. But if you don't want to open up the email but still want to mark it as read, then simply press and hold the mail, go to the bottom right and tap on the three dots and click on mark as read. So even without having to open up the email, you can mark it as read by following this step. You can also mark multiple emails at once. Just select a few and tap the envelope icon together, and you can easily mark the email as read by following this step. Now, if you want to mark the email as unread in Zoho, then go ahead and find your email, press and hold it, and then at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a little envelope icon with a small dot in it. Tap on it, and you'll be able to mark the email as unread. Now you have just learned how to mark email as read or unread in Zoho Mail, a small trick that makes a big difference in staying organized. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.